When everyone believed electric vehicles were dead, Elon Musk had a different idea and executed his ahead-of-time plan, bringing electric cars back to life. This was a big turnaround for Tesla, which has been renowned for producing some of the most attractive electric vehicles in the world since its inception in 2003. Recently, Tesla just announced that its headquarters would be relocated. What is the reason behind this? Tesla vehicles are not only attractive, but they are also among the quickest on the road, although they're electric. They even have a vehicle model that can accelerate to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Another advantage of these vehicles is that you don't need to change any components except for the wheels, since they're designed to endure all and last long. Due to these qualities, Tesla has gained a lot of people's faiths, including mine, and them saying that they're relocating makes me want to know why. Tesla has revealed its intention to relocate from Palo Alto, California to Austin, Texas, after establishing itself economically and gaining the confidence of many people across the globe. Other major businesses such as Oracle and Hewlett-Packard Enterprise also relocated their headquarters from Silicon Valley to Texas in late 2020, making it neither the first nor the last corporation to do or that will do so. But why are some of the major corporations relocating to Texas from California? Musk, Tesla CEO, made the news regarding moving the company's headquarters during a shareholder meeting on Thursday, October 7th. Despite the decision to move, he said in his statement that the business intends to expand output in its California plant. That may seem to be ironic, but in the grand scheme of things, it makes perfect sense, and even more, profit will be realized. It's a calculated move that will allow the business to acquire more and create even more products. Musk also said that it would take time for the approach to develop and for the yields to be realized. You may be wondering why Musk picked Texas over the area where the majority of the world's largest businesses have their origins. One of the main reasons they're leaving California is because of the pandemic. Following a spike due to the pandemic, many of the world's biggest corporations were brought to their knees as a result of the many lockdowns imposed by governments in an attempt to reduce infection rates and control the disease. Many businesses, such as Tesla, were seriously impacted as a result of these stay-at-home orders, since their employees were unable to physically go to work, threatening to bring production to a stop for those companies like Tesla that rely on manpower for their production. Earlier this year, Tesla acknowledged that they were going to relocate. Other factors that hastened the transfer were the high cost of living in the Bay Area and the difficulties of expanding operations in the Golden State. Would you believe it if I told you that Musk is already a resident of Texas? Musk is already a resident of Austin, which is unsurprising. He's been a resident for over a year, which is proof that this move may happen even sooner than you believe. Musk oversaw the construction of a gigafactory there, prompting the move. Another motivation for Musk's move to Texas is that SpaceX, his other company, has a space engine manufacturing and a rocket launching site in Central and South Texas, making the total number of plants there to be 3. These projects in Texas made the odds to be in favor of relocation. While in California, Musk experienced a lot of problems. In an April 2020 earnings call, he even sued Alameda County, where Tesla's Fremont plant is located, and termed its COVID-related health directives fascist. Musk was said to desire to relocate to Texas soon after this meeting. This change, however, may have personal and commercial tax consequences for this firm, as well as Musk personally. Don't get me wrong, but there are no negative impacts. What I mean is that Musk is in for even more money. Let me break it down for you. California has the highest top personal income tax and capital gains tax rates in the US, at about 13.3%. These charges are in addition to the comparable levies levied at the federal level, bringing the total for a person to a higher level. Fortunately, Musk will be able to save billions of dollars as a result of this move, since Texas does not levy these taxes, which would have otherwise diminished Musk's earnings. The guy is in for some serious bagging in the next few years. He emphasized last year that he would continue to pay California taxes proportional to the amount of time he spends there. His business has benefited from the tax reductions as well. Last year, Travis County, where Tesla's Gigafactory is located, decided to grant the firm at least $14.7 million in tax incentives. According to a report released by the Tax Foundation, a nonpartisan think tank, Texas has the lowest combined state and federal tax rate of 21% among the 50 states and Washington, D.C. As we wrap up, the Tax Foundation study shows the gross receipts tax is opaque and favors large corporations with vertical supply chains. That is, firms that provide their inputs to the manufacturing process. Tesla has joined a slew of businesses and executives that have relocated their headquarters from California to neighboring states. Tesla has reaped the benefits of this trend being home to financial service powerhouse Charles Schwab Corporation and software juggernaut Oracle Corporation. Having reached this point, I'd like to wrap it up. Adios for now, and we'll see you in the next video.